Good morning, Saturday morning. These are all new in from Italy. They are all Dolce & Gabbana. And I'll never forget that movie, Devil Wears Prada, and she's answering the phone for the first time, and she's new on the job, and she's taking notes, and she says, Dolce & Gabbana, can you spell that please? And they click, Dolce & Gabbana. Anyway, this is a beautiful 100% viscose knit. It's absolutely just luscious, lovely, beautiful. Absolutely beautiful. Stretch in both directions, little rose floral, lovely. This, going to a little larger flower. You can see the clarity of the print. It's just really beautiful. Lovely, lovely fabric again. I'm sorry, 100% viscose. Then we go, the rest are 100% cotton. This is sheer, but it's a stretch woven. And of course, you know, if I put my hand behind it, you can get the amount of sheerness in it. It is just it's 100% cotton. You'd think it was silk. It just, the texture and everything is so beautiful, but it's 100% cotton. This is their famous sunflower. Dolce & Gabbana right now is kind of known for their sunflower. They've launched them all over. This is a navy background. It's 100% cotton. It's a twill. It'd be great as a jacket or a skirt, pants even. They've done all kinds of things with it. This is 100% cotton. These are coordinating. These are both 100% cotton. This is the sheer. And again, I'm going to put my hand behind there so you can kind of see. It'd be beautiful in a blouse with sleeves. And then have the body of the blouse be this one. You can see they're identical. They're both 100% cotton. They're both woven. Is that gorgeous? They're just beautiful together. Beautiful colors, beautiful blouse. So this would be the body and then the sleeve. Or, you know, you could do something completely different. You could do a little cape with the sheer over just the body of the blouse. But they're just a really beautiful companion. And you'll see they're just at really stunning prices. So the goal is happy sewing with Dolce & Gabbana. I don't think you could have anything but happy sewing from Silhouette Patterns.